YouTubies, how's it going?
Hello, other people in the world.
Get this situated just a teensy bit. Okay, today we're just kind of do a life update, but I'm having a Sonic number 10 chicken sandwich, and he's having a Sonic tenderloin. I got cheddar peppers, and he's got tots. We got cherry limeade. So, sure, we probably share stuff, but how you guys doing? Yeah. Yeah. I got the good stuff. I'm not sure which one that is.
Either yours or mine.
I don't know. I'm not sure which. Oh, I got two of your tots here. Mine now.
Okay.
How you guys doing? Good, I hope. Got done getting back from having a doctor's visit with see if I need to do a sleep study, and it seems I do. Let's see if I have sleep apnea. Joy. So I'll be setting that up in a couple of days. I guess that explains a lot of why I'm always tired with chronic fatigue and, well, possibly, I should say, and the high blood pressure and everything. So, yeah. We're in a new spot today. I'll show you a little bit when we, towards the end of the video, our view that we got here. So, we're both like really tired today because I don't think either one of us got much sleep, did we?
You were asleep all night.
Was I? I don't feel like it.
I couldn't get to sleep.
Oh. Still wearing my fan. I like this. Comes in handy for some things, or at times when I'm hot. But today it's been, most places we've been, it's been cool. Doctor's office and stuff. Man, you're quiet.
Tired.
Yeah. I'm wearing my arm things that I got from the Temu order. I like them. Oh, this doesn't have the, this is a wrench. I thought the thing was going to be something else. Can't get it open. Well, I get a thumb full of it. Thumb covered. I hear the crows. I don't see them, but I hear them.
There goes one. Two.
Cheddar peppers.
And you can see a lot of eagles out here too.
Yeah. I love these things.
I love where they're going.
Huh?
I love you.
Oh. Love you. Could hear what you say. You was like, what?
Yeah, no, I'm tired. And
Yeah. May not be the best time to do a video. Because we are tired.
yeah, 45-minute drive, go to Clinton. Come back. I had to go do blood work. I had to fast. She's nonstop talking about food.
Didn't mean to. I was hungry. I'm hungry. I talk about food. Oh, crap. Hold that thought. It came off of the thing.
Probably because you were touching it.
Yeah, well, I was trying to adjust it a little better to get you in the view a little bit better. There. Leave it to me to go mess something up. Drop something there?
Yeah, fell right in a box of silverware.
I love Sonic limeades. They're so good. Bag over here is trying to fly away. So yeah, now I just gotta listen for the phone next couple days so I can get the appointment set to do the sleep study. I'm not thrilled about it, but same time, if I can find out what's causing my chronic fatigue, or at least contributing, then yeah, I'll do it.
Is that a chicken or a tenderloin?
I don't know. I think that's chicken. Big bird chasing a little bird. Actually, it was a blue jay. It was chasing I think a crow. Yeah, there's your tenderloin. They're not near as big as Hazy's.
Yeah, I know. I'm kind of disappointed.
All I need to do sometime is go Rusty Skill again. My mom talked they have big tenderloins and little buns. Get it to go or something. It's so yummy. You guys that don't know what they look like on the inside.
Food.
Yeah. Cheesy goodness. Oh. And a good spot. Watch the traffic go by.
It was great the other night when we came here the first time. No traffic late at night. Well, hardly any.
Yeah.
Great view.
Yeah. Quiet. Very peaceful. Relaxing. Nice breeze that was coming through. And you're losing all your lettuce out of your sandwich.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Yeah, over here to the side, you see the view of the, I should say the lake?
Yeah, or a reservoir.
Yeah. Lots of water. And there was boats out the other night and everything. I don't see any today.
I see one.
Yeah, I guess I see one. But the other night there's a couple. I loved how it was like so peaceful. Even right now it's pretty peaceful. Except the occasional traffic going by. But even the other night it was even quieter. It was nice. It would have been perfect if, oh, actually, there was a sunset. A little bit of a sunset when we were sitting here.
Yeah, we came by late.
Yeah, evening time. Dusk. Is that an eagle up there or is that a buzzard?
Probably an eagle.
So I was thinking, but I wasn't for sure.
They love fish in here.
Huh?
They fish here.
Yeah. I love how it's got the cheesy, peppery goodness on the inside and the crunchiness on the outside. You can have some of these if you want.
I know.
Okay, making sure you know.
My problem is sometimes they come out and you get all that hot in your right in your mouth.
It's actually not too bad today, as far as as hot as they usually are. They're hot. I mean, but not like normal. Yeah, I get home, probably gonna crash for the rest of the day. Well, at least half of the day. That's what we need. Motorcycle. Actually, that's a moped in it.
Or a scooter.
Scooter. I couldn't tell for sure. Seen turtles trying to cross the road today. Hopefully they cross the road and don't get squishy. Today is the first time we've seen them cross, or trying to cross.
No, I've seen them.
I have it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, today is the first time I've seen them.
Because you're blind.
No. I was close to it. I'm not now. So, yeah. That's eagles. It's pretty how they're soaring.
Mm-hmm.
Bald eagles, that is, I think.
Nope. Those ones are, I can't remember. Unless they're young.
Oh. I was thinking they was young, but I don't know. 'Cause I was thinking up in the, I don't even know what it's called up there. I don't think it's a museum, but it's...
Observatory?
Yeah, observatory. I was thinking that it told a little bit about them. Up on the hill. Oh, nice cool breeze came through for half a second.
I'm gonna pull my finger, I'll give you another one. Sorry, I'm about ready to go to bed.
Yeah, me too. Just want to eat a little bit and my tummy's taken care of. I may not be getting those hamburgers cooked today. I forgot about them. I have to do this Thursday. We'll plan those for Thursday.
Okay.
We got hamburgers the other day and trying to figure out when to cook them. We can have them with the family. I think it was last week. They cooked some barbecued hamburgers out on the grill. Oh my gosh, they were so good.
It did turn out way better than most usually do.
Yeah. Ow, that one was a little juicy. The juice was burning.
I'm tired. You don't want to know.
I know. I ain't gonna go there. That one almost like a buzzard.
Yeah, I think that one was a buzzard.
Especially the way it was flying. Not as graceful as the eagle would be.
Yeah, we got a lot of buzzards here because of the fish and stuff.
Buzzards and crows. And in certain areas, seagulls.
Need to have a video of that one down there in the morning when the crows start showing up.
Yeah. Makes you think of the Alfred Hitchcock movie, The Birds. It's kind of almost creepy.
Yeah, the sun starts coming up, and you hear crows, caw, caw, or whatever. And then you turn, and this one area, as the light comes up, you can see more and more and more.
Okay.
Buzzard's waiting for somebody to drop a fish.
Yep. Wish they had areas where you could actually camp and make a little campfire and all that kind of stuff like they used to around these areas. It'd be nice. I don't think they do though anymore around here.
Sure they do somewhere, but where, I don't know.
Yeah.
There, you happy? I'm eating one.
Only one.
No, I gotta have two to make up for my tots.
Yeah, but the poppers are bigger than your tots.
So, I'm bigger than you.
They got where on the cherry limeades, we get them with easy ice. That way you get more of the cherry limeade. Not as watered down by the time you get to the bottom. Yeah, more.
I know.
I'm teasing you.
What I want more of is sleep.
Yeah.
I pick up your mess and put it in the trash.
I don't want to.
I wasn't asking.
I'll tell you. I get a couple more bites and I'm done. And now I'm supposed to rest at home. Well, I can't talk today. So,
You can't talk any day.
hey.
You just ramble on and on.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
How do you reverse the
What?
camera so it shoots out the other side?
I have to pause it and then, or stop it and then flip it. I don't know how to do it. Give me a minute.
I was going to get a view of the...
Hold that thought. So yeah, there's the view of what we're seeing.
Try not to drop the camera outside.
Yeah, not big thing. Figure out a way. If you can get back behind us too. I might have to get that. You guys are just getting turned all over the place here. You can see that real well or not. Hi. All right, we're going to get ready to scoot so we can go back home and go back to bed. So, catch you guys again later. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. Oh, excuse me. Hang on. It's exploding here. And we'll catch you guys again later for the mukbang or who knows what. So, catch you later. Bye-bye.